Hey, I'm Jack, or known as Bustlip, as part of Winston Surfshirt. I'm here at Liveschool today. I've been lucky enough to be given a version of Ableton 0.4 private beta. I'm going to go through a couple of the changes. This is going to be out later today for everybody to try publicly. A couple workflow enhancements, a couple extra cool features. Let's have a quick look. Firstly, it's really great to see we got some drum kits here provided by Kučka. She provided quite a bit of our course content here at Liveschool, joining some other Liveschool families such as Ninajirachi, who you may have noticed actually produced the Ableton Live 11 demo. So yeah, cool, let's have a listen. So some really nice bitey drums there from Kučka. Bit of vocals in there too. A lot of cool stuff in there. Little car door sound, always love to hear it. She's got a second kit in here too, a bit more aggressive. Really cool usable sounds though, love it, really cool stuff. There's a welcomed addition here in the way of Learn View. So help is no longer, we all are looking at Learn View from now on. Pops open to the side here, gives you a whole bunch of different tutorials. We'll see more of this establish itself past the beta, but you can watch a video.
In this video, we'll cover the...
That video then pops out, so you can move it around your screen, resize it, get a better understanding of what you're actually learning about. And I think we've heard that there will be room for third-party people to create lessons inside Ableton, so we're looking forward to providing more advanced tutorials. Cool, so there we go. Help view, pack view is now changed. Pack overview gives you a quick little insight into the packs that you're downloaded. So a couple cool essential changes there. Now, I'm a bit more of a sound design guy. Really happy to see a couple changes to popular VSTs, or devices I should say, in Ableton, such as Erosion. A couple of extra little bits and bobs in Erosion. Let's have a little peek. Here we go. So, Erosion. You might notice a couple changes right away. We have noise blend, so that can go between sine wave and white noise. We've got bandwidth here, stereo imaging, frequency selection, the amount. Tons of potential there, I think, for sound design. Very, very nice. And here we go, chorus ensemble. A couple of changes here. Simply, chorus used to be called classic, thankfully now called chorus. Some additions to our time selection. We got here 1 or 2 tap. 1 tap is good for a classic, more broad, slowly changing chorus sound. Tap, 2 tap, a bit more wild and free. There you go, a couple welcomed additions to chorus ensemble. Lastly, with delay, just bringing it up to pace with other devices. I feel a more expanded LFO section. We now have more time control. Waveform controls here, or selection I should say. You know, simple stuff. We see it implemented in other devices. Again, happy to see good old delay getting a bit of a facelift. One thing I should bring up as well, bit of a quality of life improvement. If you are the type of person to use Ableton stem separation, we can now, instead of having to split a whole phrase or whole sample I should say, we can select within that sample and just separate stems from there. Classically, choose what you want. Now we have the option to merge all of these to one single track. Really good if you want to delete a vocal like this and work on an instrumental for resampling, etc. You can go ahead and do that. Separate now with high quality on will give you a progress bar per stem. So the last thing that we want to go through is a massive change, or a massive introduction, I should say, to Ableton 12.4 is link audio. So not just Ableton link audio. Just in the way that we can all link wirelessly from computer to computer, push, note, etc. I can wirelessly take multi-track stems from my friend's session, if we're producing together in the same room, track them out into my own session, jam along. The latency is pretty good, but we'll have a quick look at that now. I'll arm these 2 tracks. I've just got 2 splice samples available from my computer here on the left. We're both on the same Wi-Fi network. And I'm just going to loop a little section. Firstly, you need to enable link. Click up on the top left-hand corner. We have here the option for link audio now. You can see my second computer. Obviously, Wi-Fi, there's a bit of dropout as it's connecting, but still stable enough, totally stable in a workable studio environment. And if I hit play, here we go. Got my congas from the other session, my ARP. There you go. Ready to multi-track wirelessly from one computer to another. So there you go, there's Ableton Link Audio. Really cool stuff, heaps of implementation. I do know that Ableton Link is open to third parties. So it'd be great to see Link Audio being developed into products like MPCs, which I use a lot. I know me and the band, when we write, it's very collaborative. A lot of people running around into different rooms. So I can really see something like this being beneficial and really cutting down workflow time. Just getting ideas down quicker. One other little thing, I personally think this is my favorite feature of the entire 12.4 beta. It's copy and paste time. So all you need to do now, select time, Shift Command C, copy, select time, paste. Look at all that good stuff. Look at all that time, copy and pasted. There we go. That's Ableton Live 12.4 beta. It's open to everybody who owns Ableton Live 12. It's all free, all the point updates, so go check it out. Have some fun, play with Kučka's kit, step rate some stems, whatever the hell you like to do. Enjoy it. Thanks.